People think that being quiet, staying alone, or having a small circle makes you weak, broken, or scared. But pure psychology proves the exact opposite. If you are a quiet person, you aren't socially awkward. You actually possess a dangerous psychological advantage. You just don't know how to use it yet. Today, I'm going to show you 3 psychological secrets of the lone wolf mentality. By the time you finish this video, you will stop feeling invisible in crowds and start controlling the room without saying a single word. Make sure you pay close attention to secret number 3 because it's the one mindset shift that makes you completely immune to being manipulated. Secret 1. Pattern recognition. The hidden sensor. Average people get distracted by sweet words and fake smiles. But because you spend your time observing rather than talking, your brain has developed high-level pattern recognition. You don't just listen to what people say, you read their hidden intentions. You can instantly feel who is fake and who is genuine. The first step to power is trusting this sensor and refusing to let anyone easily into your inner circle. Secret 2. The power of silence. The emotional hijack. Society tells you that the person who speaks the most is the strongest. But the truth is, silence is real power. When someone tries to argue with you, insult you, or pressure you, don't yell back. Just look them directly in the eyes, smile slightly, and stay completely quiet. Your absolute silence will cause their brain to panic. They will feel uncomfortable, anxious, and guilty, and will eventually start doubting their own words. Secret 3. The boundary of indifference. The ultimate shield. The biggest weakness a person can have is a desperate hunger for validation. But a true lone wolf doesn't need applause, constant approval, or 100 fake friends. When you don't need anything from anyone, it becomes impossible for them to control, bribe, or manipulate you. Your peace is your greatest wealth. Stop handing it over to people who just want to use you for their own drama. Your silence isn't a weakness, it's a weapon. I challenge you to try this for just 7 days. The next time you are in a stressful conversation, use the power of silence and watch how the dynamic shifts.